Let's learn how to search for AR books in the Anaheim Public Library's catalog. Visit anaheim.net/library, then hover over Library Services in the menu. Click Library Catalog, then click All Fields and select AR level from the drop-down menu. Let's search for books in the reading level 3.2. You'll need to type quotation marks before and after your reading level, then press search. Now you can find books in the 3.2 reading level. Make a selection and reserve your book for curbside pickup by clicking the yellow button Place Hold. Log in using your library card number and PIN number. Don't forget to select your neighborhood library so you can pick up your books. Library staff will call you when your book is ready for curbside pickup. Need to search for AR ranges or subjects? I'll show you how. Click All Fields and select Subject from the drop-down menu. Let's look up books about dogs. Click Search, then scroll down until you see the AR level in the left column. Click on View All, then select your AR reading levels and click Include. Now I can see all the books about dogs in my reading levels. You can reserve more books for curbside pickup by clicking the yellow button Place Hold. If you have any questions, reach out to your neighborhood Anaheim library. We're still here for you. Happy reading!